Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get crab feces in Subnautica 2. This can be used to craft things like the biofuel block and the processor for the bioreactor. So to begin, you want to go from the life pod towards east direction, just like I'm going. Here you should find a biome where there are going to be crabs located at. So now once you've gone from this cliff, which is located about 250 meters from the life pod, you want to search the ground in this biome, and here you should find this kind of shaped thing, which is the crab feces. There are plenty of these on the ground, so just go ahead around this cliff and you should find plenty of these, as you can see. And this is going to also unlock the biofuel block blueprint, which you can craft from the feces. So this is pretty much all. How to get the crab feces in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.